Good morning guys! Yun ha, so nasa boat deck tayo ngayon. So I think yung init okay lang naman ano, hindi naman siyang masyadong init. Okay, so ang ating kapitan si Captain Aldin, nandiyan ha. Yun. Okay, so guys, itong nakikita natin, so that David frame, yan. Okay, at same time yung David arm, nandun ano, yung David head. Yung ating tinatawag na winch assembly. Ito yung gagamitin ni sir. Okay, we call that winch brake handle. Okay, at kung makikita nyo may mga small sheave tayo. Okay, at meron tayong we call that small cable, we call that remote release cable. Okay, passing small sheaves going to the live boat sana. Okay, mamaya assist natin si sir ha. May taong mag-assist dito para tumulong, no? So yung ating okay, safety pin nandyan, yung ating tinatawag na limit switch, forward and up, meron. Okay, so again, nasa baba pa yung live boat natin, i-recover natin at tutulungan natin si sir na i-secure yung stopper bar forward at saka yung stopper bar up. At the same time yung ating gripes, no? Okay, so Sir Aldin, ready na ba tayo mag-recover? So we're going to recover by means of power, okay? So yan ha, so pag walang power, we have to use the we call that hand crank ha. Yan. Okay, may hand crank tayong gagamitin. Okay, so nandito naman yung ano yung lusutan ng gear ng hand crank yan, oh. Okay, so sir, Boss Aldin, kuha ka ng isang tao para makatulong mo. So pili ka na lang sa kanila.
Sir, i-area mo lang ha. Pero huwag mong padadaw kasi sa kamay mo si Bakti lang. So, pag-area ka lang. Pero dandahan.
Oh, sige ha, so keep clear. Okay, sige, we have to recover the lifeboat using the power. Yon ha. Sir, sir, sir. Okay, so since na nag-recover natin yung lifeboat, ibabalik naman natin yung mga stopper bar, like yung stopper bar forward tsaka yung stopper bar. Sir, paki-attend naman dito. Okay, all we have to do is to put first this one. Okay, tapos i-manage natin. Sir, kunin natin to, sir. Sige sir, shoot mo doon. Okay. Ayan, salpak mo doon sir. Ayan, tapos i-swing mo. Hop, yung safety pin ayusin muna natin ha. Ayan, sige sir, shoot mo yung safety pin. Very good. Tapos sir, ito ha, i-shoot mo sa ano to, sa ano natin ha. O, sige, kaya ba? Yan, very good. Sige, yun. Shoot na. Yun. Op. Pabalik ka. Tama yun, tama yun. Ayan. Sige, sir, tulak lang konti. Abot na yan. O, konti pa. Yun, shoot. Okay? So, yan ha. So, nakita natin ha. So, forward at saka up, stopper bar. So, attend lang ulit tayo, sir ha. So, we're going to lower the lifeboat. So, yung ating tinatawag na harbor pins, okay na yan, natanggal na natin. At ang tatanggalin na lang natin yung forward at saka yung up stopper bar. Sige sir, attend na ulit tayo ha. Be very careful, take out the safety pin. Sir, hindi yan, bayaan nyo na yan. Dito tayo sa yan. Yun, tanggal lang ano ha. So make it sure ha. Sige sir, dahan-dahan lang bagsak. Kamay ha. Sir, ayaw mo na. Sir, tulak mo lang. Sir, tulak mo lang. Very good, okay? Now, the stopper bar is already clear. So, yung natitira na lang yung ating gripes, ha? Yung gripes, kahit na yan po ay hindi na natin tanggalin. Okay? O, sige.
ito, sir,
Kukuha ulit si sir, ha?
Yung maluluwag doon, yun lang hilahin. Huwag mo siyang hilahin natin sana. Kasi mabibigla yan.
Okay, so we're going to lower down the lifeboat. So, acting area ay clear.
Okay, water is clear.
So, water is clear, ha? So, Boss Aldin, water is clear, ha? Sige. So, libre, ha? Keep clear, ha? Yun. Very good. Okay. So the boat or the lifeboat is already in the boat deck. Okay? So by simply lifting the winch brake handle, so na-adjust niya yung ating lifeboat. Okay? So kasi nga araw-araw si sir. Kaya ganoon sa katindi. No, kung tayo yan, nako yung lifeboat gumaganon, gumegewang-gewang. No? Okay? So yan. So sino bang boson dito sa inyo?
Kasi,
Meron ba?
para maano yung pagbukan.
AB. O sige sir, tuturuan ka nun sir. Sige, para ano. Okay? Dada lang, oops. Sige. Relax, relax. Ha? Okay, good. Yan. Okay, tops down. Very good. Yun.
So pag gumamit kayo nito sir, hindi yung lift down, lift down. Kasi
Oo.
tension yung ating wire, no? Dapat doon baka matuloy-tuloy.
Ay, pag bira mo, mararamdaman mo naman eh. Okay, very good. Palakpakan. Yan o. Thank you very much kay Mr. Aldin ha. Paano na natin yan, bigyan natin mamaya ng ano yan, ng halo-halo. Ha? Yan o. Malamig ha. O sige, baba tayo ha. Sabi ko sa inyo, bababa tayo. Nakaharap sa hagdanan, okay? Yon. Sige sir, dahan-dahan. Papasok naman tayo dyan mamaya-maya ha. Yun o, kaway-kaway muna para sa vlogs natin. Yun sir, thank you. Tara, taba na tayo.